Good day, let's continue. Let's open our material. And to make it all look more clear, I will disable the diffuse parameter. Now we need an object position. Here is it. Now we need a component mask. We make a duplicate right away. So we attach here and here. So in its parameters, we leave the red channel for the first one and leave the green channel for the second one. Now we need to divide. Make a duplicate immediately too. Connect our masks here. And now we create a constant. Set to 20. And connect to B. That is, we divide each mask into 20 parts. So now we need sign. We also make a duplicate. Connect. And here we connect. And now we add up the result. Done. And connect to base color. In beat color. Save. And now look what we got. Slightly finalize. Let's take clamp node. Connect here. And also connect to base color. So in the parameters we set, let the minimum be 0.02, and the maximum will be 0.5. In principle, you can output it as parameters, do it yourself if you want. Let's look at the result. Here are more varied colors. We are done with this part. Now we return our base color to its place. And we move this node down. Right here. And connect it after sway control. That is, we need a multiply. And here we connect. Save. And that's what we got. You see, the trees have started to work in a more diverse way. And the last thing we will do is create a wind controller to control direction and force. Switch to content with the right mouse button. Material. Material parameters collection. I'll call it MPC wind. Open it. We add the first parameter. This is the wind speed. Set 1. And the second parameter will control the wind direction. Let's expand the parameters. And now we remember that blue controls the z-axis. And we don't need it. We will raise red. Save. Now connect all this to our material. Right-click, collection parameter. Installed it. We have wind collection, and we indicate that this is direction. Add node add. Then we add a mask. We have the parameter float 4. And we need to redo it. Connect the mask here. We set that we have our G and B. And connect to add. And now we connect this parameter to B. And that's it. Ready. Done. Now, in order for the wind direction to change, we create a multiply node. Multiply our controller. Create collection parameter. Connect it to the B node. And now we set it to wind speed. And connect here in B. Done. All this can now be saved. Now let's open our collection and see how it works. See, I changed the parameters and the wind direction changes. Here we set O. Here we put 0.5. Actually, that's it. Previous lessons in the description. Write in the comments what topics you want new lessons on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you there.